Hi folks, in this video we're going to see how I fix the wind damage to my Darche 180 degree awning. I rode the bicycle out here on this local bike trail and got to the end here, and there were some beautiful hot air balloons that just went right overhead. So I got the drone up as fast as I could and got a few shots of them. We'll show you that, and we'll show you a little bit of the bike, and then we'll get on to the repairs. I don't know if you can make out the car. It gives you a scope of the size. Darche awning and wall kit's been holding me up really well in all this wind. we set up the awning in a shaded location to work on the damage. The seam that failed was on the awning, but happened because of the weight and the force of the wall kit on the awning. This failure would not happen to the awning by itself. And here you can see the seam that failed. Notice it is right on top of the corner at the support arm. And here's the view from the outside. Notice there is no extra bolstering for this seam corner. All the weight of the wall kit is supported by this one seam. Tell me in the comments if you think this should have been better supported and bolstered, reinforced. And here's the seam on the other side at the other support arm. It's the same, no damage. So what do you think? Was it just a bad seam on the other side, or should there be some extra support, some extra bolstering in these areas? Myself, I'm gonna fix it. I'm gonna make it stronger. I have a plan. And here's the materials to execute my plan. We've got some nylon strapping, some nylon thread, and needle assortment. I could have probably used some strapping and some thread laying around the house, but I wanted it to match the accents on the awning, so I sourced this on Amazon and ended up with more than I can ever use, but it is what it is. And here's the first step of my repair. Now, I do not know how to sew. I did the best job I could to get all the layers of the materials back together in that sewn seam. It is not pretty, and I am sure it is not as strong as the factory sewn seam, but I think as you can see where I'm going with this, with the nylon strap, it won't need to be as strong. I just needed to get these this seam fixed and these materials back together so that I can add the nylon strap to this corner. And you can see here I have the strap tacked in place with 3 X pattern stitches, heavy duty stitches, multiple passes, and it's sewn right into the zipper that supports the wall kit. Now I need to finish the sewing job, get this sewn all the way to the top and over the edge. We'll speed up the camera here. And not bad. I'm starting to think this might work. I like the way this is going. Seams aren't perfect, but I think this will be strong overall. Now it's time to finish this up. And here the straps are sewn in place. There's a strap on the outside, a strap on the inside, and both are anchored into the top support arm with the same two metal screws that the tie-down strap is anchored with. So I have very good confidence this will be very strong going forward and hold up like I expect it to. Okay folks, that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. If so, hit the like button, maybe subscribe. I've got to get on the bicycle and head on back home, make some breakfast. And yeah, I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. And most of all, have a great day. Bye bye.